cascade video with the McLaren of my daughter for show you a chronograph from Bomberg, the bullhead one, for the year 68. It's a homage. Nice box with your box, the guarantee card, like you can see. And of course I open the timepiece. It's a Swiss one, like we can see. I upgrade this one with a leather strap for my friend rear watch, like you can show you on Instagram. The pusher is on the top. Yep, sorry. So cool. This one for start. Yep. Ready. The movement is a Swiss movement, Ronda Quartz, and very accurate. Yep. The case is so ergonomic. I have another bullhead actually on my wrist, the Citizen, like we can see. But this one is so cool. I show you. Like this. It's a 38mm for the case, but with the big horn, it's so cool. It's a full black dial. Like you can see, the dial is so textured with the white number. The white number, it looks like for me like a racing number in a car, or like a thing like this. We can see the strap with the wall for racing vibes. I put the same buckle as the original. Like we can see the case back with the water resistant 10 atom stainless steel, sapphire crystal, and it's a Swiss movement. I recommend so much this timepiece. If you like this vibes on this Citizen, you can show this one. Take the small size, the 38mm, it's enough, and a so cool badass timepiece. Hope you like so much this cascade, this racing. Perhaps not. Say me in comment if you like the idea of the jump car of the McLaren, or you prefer just timepiece.